Good morning, everybody. How are you today? I guess you're very happy today. Okay, everybody, welcome back to English class with Teacher Mary. Today, we're going to study about how to pronounce D and T sound correctly. Do you know how to pronounce D and T sound correctly? Let me show you. Okay, everybody. The first one, D sound. D sound is a strong sound and is voiced sound. What about T? T is soft sound and it's voiceless sound. How is it? Okay, everybody, let's check the first one. The first sound is D sound. How to pronounce D sound? Place the tongue tip up, behind top teeth. Let tongue down with a puff of air. And voice out from throat. Okay, everybody, let's try together. D. D. Let's try one more time. D. D. Very good, everybody. And the next one, T sound. How do you pronounce D sound? Place the tongue tip up, behind top teeth. Let tongue down with a puff of air, but no voice out from throat. Okay, everybody, let's try it together. T. T. One more time. T. T. Very good, everybody. Okay, everybody. In American accent, sometimes T sounds like D when it is between vowel A, E, I, O, U. For example, how do you pronounce this word? Writer. No, we don't pronounce writer. We say writer, writer. Sometimes it sounds like D when it's between A, E, I, O, U. Next one. Rider, rider. Everybody say it together. Rider. One more time. Rider, rider. And the second one. Rider, rider. Next one. In British accent, sometimes they don't pronounce T sound when it is between the vowel A, E, I, O, U. For example, butter, butter. But sometimes in the British accent, they pronounce butter, butter. Everybody said together. Let's try. Butter, butter. Sounds a little bit weird, right? Yeah, it sounds weird to me too. Okay, next one, everybody. Let me show you example between D and T sound. Okay, the first one, everybody, let's try to say it together. Build, built. Build, built. Okay, everybody say it together. Build, built. Next one, dry, try, dry, try. Okay, everybody, let's try together. Dry, try. Next example, send, sent, send, sent. Everybody, let's try together. Send, sent, send, sent. Next one, hurt, 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 hurt. Let's try it together. Hurt, 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 hurt. Next one, wide, white, wide, white. Everybody say it together. Wide, white, wide, white. Next one, down, town, down, town. Everybody try together. Down, town. Next one, wait, 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 wait. Everybody, let's try it together. Wait, 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 wait. Next one, tear, dear, tear, dear. Everybody say it together. Tear, dear. Very good. Okay, everybody. Next one. Let's practice together. The first one. Everybody, the first one. Listen and choose the answer. The first one. Down, down. Which one? The first or the second one? Yes, the first one. Down. Next one. White, white. Okay, everybody, listen carefully. White, white, white. Which one? The first one or the second one? Which one? Very good. The second one, white. Next one. Dry, dry. Which one? The first one or the second one? Yes, the first one, dry. Next one. Bright, bright. Which one? The first one or the second one? Bright. Very good, everybody. The second one. Next one. Food, food. The first one or the second one? Very good, everyone. The first one, food. Okay, everybody. I hope you enjoy your class today. And don't forget to send me an assignment in Line group, okay? I'll see you next time. Have a good day. Goodbye.